Sa video na ito, you will learn how to describe and identify the elements of a given set. Element of the set is the member or object in a given set. Consider the set of counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, these counting numbers are the elements of the set. The elements of the set are written by enclosing in curly brackets, and each element is separated by a comma. Can we write all the elements of the set of counting numbers? Hindi natin kayang ilista o isulat ang lahat ng elements ng counting numbers because the set of counting numbers is an infinite set. So dito na ngayon pumapasok ang paggamit ng ellipses or the three dots to write down all the counting numbers. So we write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the three dots or the ellipses which indicate the continuous counting of numbers. But writing the dots after the sequence and not after the random numbers. Can we write the elements of the set of natural numbers from 1 to 50? Yes, we can. We can list down all the elements of the natural numbers from 1 to 50. But then, it's still much easier to write it in this way. 1, 2, 3, the first three initial numbers, then the three dots or ellipses, then the last two final numbers. Can the elements be repeated in a set? It is no. The elements in the set are written only once. Consider the set of letters in the word mathematics. You write the elements as M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S, writing the letters M, A, T only once, though they appear twice in the word.